Hello, friends! In today's video, we're going to draw various amazing animals from the land and the forest. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we're drawing a chimpanzee. The chimpanzee is one of the smartest animals in the world. They can use simple tools to find food and even imitate human behavior. Their bodies are strong and agile, allowing them to climb trees and swing from branch to branch with ease. They live in groups and love to play with each other all the time. Now, let's color it. Next, we're drawing an elephant. The elephant is the largest land animal in the world, known for its long trunk and big ears. They are incredibly strong, yet gentle, and caring toward their families. Elephants can remember water sources from miles away and always help one another. With their huge bodies and sturdy legs, they walk with calm power and great dignity. Now, let's color it. Then, we're drawing a rhinoceros. The rhinoceros has thick skin and a strong horn that makes it look powerful. Although it seems fierce, it's actually a calm herbivore that enjoys a peaceful life. Rhinos love wallowing in mud to cool down and protect their skin from insects. They are rare creatures, so we must help protect them from extinction. Now, let's color it. Next, we're drawing a bear. Bears are famous for their large bodies and incredible strength. They can walk on two legs like humans and are great at finding food in the wild. Some bears love honey, while others prefer fish or fruits. Even though they look fierce, bears can be very loving and protective of their cubs. Now, let's color it. Now, we're drawing a giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest animal in the world with a long neck that helps it reach leaves high up in trees. The spots on its body are unique. No two giraffes look the same. Despite their long legs, they can run surprisingly fast. Watching a giraffe move is always elegant and calming. Now, let's color it. Next, we're drawing a horse. The horse is a symbol of speed and strength. They've been loyal companions to humans for thousands of years, helping with travel and farming. Horses are sensitive to their surroundings and can even sense human emotions. When they run, their movements are graceful and full of energy. Truly a sight to admire. Now, let's color it. Then, we're drawing a hyena. Hyenas are known for their unique laughter and strange calls at night. They're clever hunters who work together in packs. Though often misunderstood, hyenas play an important role in nature by cleaning up leftover food in the wild. They're brave, determined, and never give up easily. Now, let's color it. Next, we're drawing a praying mantis. The praying mantis has a unique body and a stance that looks like it's praying. It's fast and skillful at catching prey with its strong front legs. This small insect has sharp vision and can camouflage perfectly with its surroundings. It's a great example of survival and stealth in the animal kingdom. Now, let's color it. Now, we're drawing a hippopotamus. The hippo is a large animal that loves to stay in rivers or lakes all day long. Although they look calm, they are actually fast and strong in the water. Their thick skin and big bodies make them look powerful. But they also have a funny side. They love soaking while opening their mouths wide. Now, let's color it. Then, we're drawing a deer. The deer is a graceful animal with beautiful antlers. They're known for their quick and elegant movements through the forest. Deer live in groups and are always alert to danger. When they run, it looks like they're dancing among the trees. Their beauty makes them a symbol of peace and gentleness in nature. Now, let's color it. Next, we're drawing a bison. The bison is a large and powerful animal that roams wide grasslands. Its thick fur and strong build make it look majestic and tough. They travel in herds, grazing together and moving across the plains. When they run, the ground trembles beneath them. The bison is a true symbol of strength and courage. Now let's color it. drawing a cow. The cow is a gentle and important animal for humans. They love to graze in open fields and provide many useful things like milk and food. Their calm expressions make anyone feel at peace when watching them. Cows also have a cute habit. They often rest together while lying in the grass. Now, let's color it. Then, we're drawing a cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth. In just seconds, it can sprint as fast as a car on the road. Its slender body, long legs, and spotted fur help it blend into the grasslands. They use their incredible speed and precision to chase their prey. The cheetah truly represents agility and power. Now, let's color it. Next, we're drawing a tiger. The tiger is a mighty and majestic big cat. It lives in dense forests and is a smart and skilled hunter. The stripes on its body help it hide among the trees while stalking its prey. Although they look fierce, tigers are very caring parents to their cubs. They truly are the kings of the jungle. Now, let's color it. Now, we're drawing a fire lizard. The fire lizard is a magical creature that looks like a normal reptile, but with a fantastic twist. Its body glows with flickering flames as if it holds the power of nature itself. It symbolizes courage, passion, and unstoppable energy. Drawing it feels like bringing a mythical creature to life. How cool is that? Now let's color it. We're drawing a sheep. The sheep is known for being gentle and calm. They have thick, fluffy wool and often live in large groups on open fields. Their soft bleating sounds make the atmosphere peaceful and relaxing. Sheep are symbols of innocence and friendship, perfect for a cute and heartwarming drawing. Now, let's color it. we're drawing another deer. Deer are elegant animals with slender legs and beautiful antlers. They move gracefully through forests and meadows, always alert to their surroundings. Many people see them as symbols of nature's beauty and harmony. Drawing them is always relaxing and inspiring. Now, let's color it. Next, we're drawing a bull. The bull is a strong and brave animal with big horns and a muscular body. It's known for its powerful stance and fearless attitude. Bulls protect their herd and never back down when challenged. Their spirit represents determination, confidence, and raw strength. Now let's color it. Then we're drawing a rabbit. The rabbit is a cute and lively little animal. It loves to hop around and nibble on vegetables and green leaves. With its long ears and curious eyes, it's always alert and full of life. Rabbits are also symbols of good luck and happiness. Drawing one will definitely bring a smile to your face. Now let's color it. Next, we're drawing a goat. The goat is an adventurous and curious animal that loves climbing high places. They're clever and can move easily on rocky mountains. Goats are also known for being playful and brave, often exploring new things around them. They're a true symbol of independence and energy. Now, let's color it. Then, we're drawing a lion. The lion is the king of the jungle, famous for its majestic mane and powerful body. They live in groups called prides and protect each other. Their mighty roar can be heard from miles away. Lions represent courage, strength, and leadership in the animal kingdom. Now let's color it. Finally, we're drawing a pig. The pig is a smart and curious animal that loves to play in the mud to cool off. They have an amazing sense of smell and are actually very intelligent. Despite their round and funny shape, pigs are quick learners and love to explore. Drawing one is always fun because they look so adorable. Now, let's color it. Wow, all our drawings today look amazing. We've drawn and colored so many different animals, from the biggest to the smallest, and each one is special in its own way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our fun drawing videos. See you in the next one, friends.